guys, so it's me, Chase. So I got some lights for the camp, the van that we're doing. They were $20, and they were on sale for $4. And I got both of these for $4, so that means it was $8. And that is a good idea. You want me to put these in there? Okay. Yeah. So look, I'll show you guys if they light up. Yeah. So I got some products for the van. So that stuff we'll put over here. Hold on, guys. I'll be right. Hold on. I'll put you guys down. Okay, sorry guys. Put you guys down. So these, we just can put these on our table. I just have to clear out our table. And then, here, I'll show you guys what else we got. So, what else we got? So, we got for $1, got some plates, 4-pack. Got some batteries. We got a spatula. Another spatula. We got some AA batteries that we already used. We got some sponges. We got these 2 for $1. So we got some forks. We got some sponges again. We got a knife. And then okay, yeah, then 2 batteries. So that's it, guys. So peace.